Hi guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. But today we're going to look at something special. This is a 2019 Forest River Forester 2861 floor plan. This is built on the E450 Ford chassis. Great floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests. If you have, a large family or even want to bring friends, this is a fabulous floor plan. But we're going to walk around the outside here, take a look at some of the features, and then get inside and take a look, okay? This is a very nice floor plan. Again, you have a little integrated step here, fiberglass step. You have power heated mirrors. This coach is equipped with side view cameras, and on the 2019 it does have a blind spot assist, and I'll show you that in the rear, which is a nice thing driving like around a 30-foot Class C RV, okay? But here are your side view cameras. This is a nice large power awning, and speakers are integrated on the top, so you can listen to your tunes while you sit out here and have fun outside. This is your propane tank and fill, all located. Very easy to do at the gas station, no problems. And then right here, just a nice little storage compartment, okay? Something I do like about Forester, there's not a drop down step. So when you step in, the step is just integrated. So it's just, you step very low, and nothing hanging down low. So when you're traveling, this is pre-wired for ZAMP solar panels. So if you have a ZAMP solar panel, you can just bring it along, tuck it in one of the storage bins, and just plug it in, charge your house batteries. Very nice. This is your fridge access. You do have some plug-ins outside the coach here. And then in the back, nice for entertaining guests. You have a fridge, a sink, a television, all located under here, and then you have a little nice extra awning, not here as well, So nice little thing here. More storage. This is equipped with Firestone airbags, so you can fill up here if you're going to tow something, and you can pump up the airbags a little bit to make a smoother ride. This is that blind spot detection I was telling you about earlier. That's what you have that if you see that on the back of the RV. And then here, a nice feature, pass-through storage in a Class C. So you have something long, even small kayaks, you can fit those through, which is something you don't find in a lot of Class Cs, is the pass-through. It's more of like a Class A thing. When you step around the back here, you got your backup cameras integrated in the light right there. A nice ladder on the back. Obviously your emergency window, something I like to say, if you do need it, at least you have a ladder to climb down, you're not just jumping. You have towing capacity. You can tow 7,500 pounds on this Class C. It's a 2019 Forest River Forester, okay? It's all equipped there, and you have a spare tire right there. This is a propane quick disconnect as well. So if you're barbecuing, you're not underneath the awning having the smoke go up there and clear everybody out. A very nice feature. Okay, and when you go around the back end here, we have two slide outs, and they do have awning toppers, which is nice. So slide toppers, I should call them. So that way debris, pine needles, pine cones, things like that, you don't got to get up on the roof to knock them off. When the slide goes in, it'll just brush them right off, okay? This is going to be the other access to that pass-through storage. So, and they also have little drains here, so if you put something in there wet, you can always pop the little drain hole and the water will leak down. And this right here is just if you're hooked at a park for television, and then also your power supply here, okay? This is where you'd hook your dump when you're ready to dump your black tank, and your outdoor shower. Very easy to get with. And then you have your gasoline fill right here on the side here. This is your water heaters are there. Another nice little storage bin. And then underneath here is where your generator is going to be located. I don't have to crawl in there, but it is equipped with a generator. Okay? So why don't we go inside and take a look. Hi guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We are inside the 2861 Forest River Forester. Right now we're just looking at the Ford E450 controls. This is where your backup camera, your side view camera will all be located here. You have USB plugs, and then your basic Ford controls where you do have, cruise control on the steering wheel, very easy to control. So when we're looking up here above the front cap here, this is about a 440-pound weight limit. The TV does swivel out, so nice viewing here from the couch. The thing I do like about this couch, which not all of them come like this, a nice recliner. So you can put on both sides, you have a nice little recliner here, and then you do have a drop-down dinette here that you have sleeping for, two. Okay, and then you have nice slider drawers here for storage, blankets and so forth. Your DVD controls on the wall here, and you have a lot of storage up top here as well. These are very deep, and there's no divider, so if you have something long, you can shove it in there. It'll fit. Now you do have an oven in this, and there are a 3-burner stove, and then you have a microwave located here, okay? A nice large sink with residential style sprayer here. Very nice little feature. And then you do have a little extra counter space. I know everyone's like, there's not that much counter space in this RV. Well, most of the time you're outside, you have an outdoor kitchen, so don't forget that. That's the great thing about this floor plan. All your controls are located here on this panel. Very easy to use. One touch button. You can turn off all the lights. You can turn on all the lights. And you can control it with your cell phone. So there's a one-touch little system that you have, and you can download, so you can turn off all the lights. The kids are going to sleep, and you can put the slides out. It's very neat control. Then you have a Dometic separate fridge and freezer. It's pretty decent size, considering you do have another fridge outside. So don't forget about the outdoor kitchen, because that's where you're going to be spending a lot of your time. Now this door right here, nice little thing about this door, there's a magnet on the bottom, so when you open it up, it will catch. And then you have an accordion door here, so you can just make one full little bathroom area, because your shower is located here and your toilet and sink are inside this door. So if you come around, you'll see it here. If I open this, it locks into place, and then you can just pull that accordion door across, and you can have a nice area to take a shower and get dressed. And then you do have a queen walk-around bed with windows on either side of the bed, which is very nice. You have nice drawers here, and then when I open up here, you have cedar line closets. These cushions on there, so you can spin around that driver's seat there, and you can have so your legs aren't touching the angle. But you do have a television up here, and then you have his and hers, or just extra closet space, however you want to do it. Your control panel right here, you can control it from the bedroom as well as out in the living room. So you have 2 different spots for that. You have ducted AC running through the ceiling, so you can stay cool in the bedroom, and you can also stay cool in the living room. It will just run throughout the coach. So if you have any questions, please give us a call at Johnson RV. My name is Chris Redd. Thank you for watching my video.